Welcome to video number 2 in this CAD series. So I'm going to be talking about basically importing parts into Fusion 360. I'm not going to show you how to do it in Inventor because it's almost the same, but let's get started. So one of the most important parts to CADing and robotics is using exact measurements. But do you want to or need to measure every part that will be used to CAD an item? No, of course not. That would be 1, a lot of work, and 2, imprecise. The manufacturer knows all these measurements, and good for us, they give us the step files, which are CAD files, to easily transmit data across many CAD programs. We use 2 main suppliers, Rev Robotics and GoBuilda. In extremely rare cases, Tetrix. I'll be showing you how to get the parts from Rev and GoBuilda on the Fusion 360. First, let's go to Rev Robotics website. So that's just revrobotics.com. Link to their website to this specific part is in the description below. We're going to download the power switch. So once you're on the website, scroll down. You're going to find this area like heading called CAD and drawings, and then there should be a link there, and you can download the file. I already have it downloaded. So after you have it downloaded, head over to Fusion 360, and then we can put it into Fusion 360. First thing you're going to do, file, open from my computer. Then let's find the part. Okay, here it is. And yeah, here's the part. As of now, it's not saved as a Fusion file. It still is a step file, and we're just able to view it. We can edit it and everything, but it's not going to really do us any good because we don't have it saved. So we want to make this Fusion file. First thing you're going to do, well, what you're going to do is literally just save it as you would any other file. So I'm just going to call it power switch. And after it's saved, you can do anything with it. I think we're going to be using this in a future video to make something. So yeah, please download it whenever you can. If you're following along, great. If not, please download it after. Next, let's head over to GoBuilda's website and download the battery that we use. So again, links down in the description, so just click that if you're going to follow along. I recommend you do. So let's go ahead and download it. It's very similar. Just go down. Instead of CAD and drawings, it's downloads now, and you just click the link step file. I haven't downloaded it yet, so I will. And boom, it is now downloaded. And I think, yes, they give it to you in a zip, which is different, but that's because there are multiple parts, and that's why I want to download this, because once we head over to Fusion and we go here, we can click open and then open from computer. See if we can find it. Okay, that is the zip file. Here's the step file. I've already unzipped it. So let's go ahead and open it. And there is our battery pack. Same as before, you're going to go ahead and save this as battery pack. And there we go. It is now saved as a Fusion part file.